You're going to want to go into your settings, so you can swipe down twice or double swipe, click settings. You're going to come into something that looks like this. You can scroll all the way down, then you want to go to battery and device care. A cool, fun, easy, super fast way to do this is to actually go back, swipe up from your home menu if you have it enabled into the search and look up device, and device care should pop up and it'll take you here as well. From here, you're going to want to click on battery, then you're going to want to click on more battery settings. That's at the very bottom. From here, you have a lot of things you can choose from. I have adaptive battery on, that saves battery. I do have enhanced processing on, which makes my phone faster but uses more battery. There's show battery percentage, show charging information, which is always nice to see. I have fast charging and fast wireless charging enabled, just because fast charging is always nice. And you can toggle these on and off depending on your preference. It does take a second to go on and off though. And I just have these on because my phone's not always really hot, but if it's really hot, you might not want to have those on since faster charging does build up more heat, which leads to battery degradation. You also want to put on protect battery. This will extend the lifespan of your battery if you limit the maximum charge to 85%, which is always good because then your battery lasts longer and you'll save the environment since you won't have to get a replacement or even a new phone as fast.